Hi, welcome back to my channel. My name is Lisa. I'm addicted to luxury goods, accessories, makeup, skincare, self-care. I'm not going to rehab soon. Today I have a journey video for you here and also some tips and tricks. If you like these kind of luxury videos and you're an Hermes lover, please like and subscribe. And today I am going to be talking about the H journey or my Hermes journey, or basically pre-spend before I scored this exceptional piece right here, this baby. I will have an unboxing video linked down below if you have not seen that. I have been manifesting this baby, like honestly manifesting, and it is so pretty. This is the Kelly Desordre, or Disorder, basically Desordre. I'm not sure about the French pronunciation, and it is in the gold color with the palladium hardware. It is so pretty. Anybody who knows me or my style or my brand's identity, this bag is like the perfect bag for me. It's like asymmetrical, it's not exactly what it looks, it's reversible. Like, oh my god, it is so pretty. If you want to see what fits inside, some mod shots, please go to that video that I will link down below. This video is strictly about what I spent in order to get this bag. So we're gonna start our story time here. Oh, it is so pretty. I'll just give you a little bit of a mod shot before we go into the bag. So this bag, the strap is not removable. The hinge here is like locked in. It is not removable at all. It is a shoulder height bag, so it sits right here. It sits right at my waist, which is perfect, and it is also reversible. And I like that when it sits at your waist, the side that is inside doesn't really like dig into your body, because it's where your body, you know, hinges in. It is like perfect. I'm still in awe that I got this bag from the shop. Like, apparently I got so many DMs, so many comments, because I did a reel on Instagram unboxing this bag that it is really hard to find, and I'm just so happy and so thankful to my SA that I got this bag. So let's just start about the story time. It's been too long that I'm rambling. So I got this bag at the shop here in Thailand, and actually since the fashion show came out, I've told my SA that I really would love this bag. Like, it's like on the top of my list, and I've seen like resellers, like stores like selling this bag, and the price is so high, and I know that one day I will get this bag. So on my phone, well, before it is my dog's face, I basically changed the wallpaper. Oh, I'll show you. I can just change it. So on my wallpaper, this is what I had to manifest this bag since I asked my SA. So I think it was around the end of 2022 when I saw this bag on the runway. I started seeing the bag, and I was just like, oh my god, this bag is so me. Like, I really had to have this bag, and I know it is so difficult. So I have been asking my SA about this bag. I told my SA that I really want this bag, or the dance, the Kelly dance. I also wanted that bag as well, but it has kind of that similar shoulder, even though the dance is more versatile. You can wear it more ways. I really wanted these two bags, and I know it doesn't come a lot, especially in Thailand here. Basically started this journey the end of last year. However, I got the Birkin 30, if you see my other videos, in April, which is April 2023. So basically all my spend in April is deducted. But when I asked my SA if everything was deducted, my SA said it was deducted partially. So I'm actually not sure how much was deducted, but I will be telling you what I got right after I got my Birkin 30. So this journey started in May, but this bag I asked my SA since, let's say, like November, December of 2022. So it's been a whole full year that I've talked about this bag, and I asked my SA that I really want this bag. But along the way, I got a 30, so I have to start over, and I know maybe I shouldn't have like taken the 30, and maybe I should just waited for this bag, but I don't know. The 30 was really pretty too. So I went in May, after I got my Birkin 30 in April. I went to the store at the end of May and I got this coffee card holder, which doesn't really count because they say leather goods, doesn't count. I got a silver necklace, which I'll put right here, which is really pretty and the price is really good for silver and I feel like I wear it quite often. And I got a Kelly belt in black, but it is a Kelly pocket style that I think I've did an unboxing before. I'll show you the photo here as well. I got a necktie for my boyfriend. I got some twillies and I got another cheap, I always thought it's cheaper sandals, but it's cheap. I got cheap sandals for my boyfriend and I got the cheap sandals in beige. It's the beige mastic, and I got the orange sandals in Etude, and I got a polo from my dad and a polo for my boyfriend. This is already in June, I'm so sorry. And after that I got a Constance to go, which doesn't count as well. So in July I got a hair clip. I got this blanket that everybody has on their furniture, basically. I got this blanket. I got this zipper silicone bag that is the best for traveling. I actually have two of them now, one in navy and one in tan color. And when I travel, I basically put one bag and I use it as a bag for my face mask, and the other bag for like electronics, external charger straps. It just makes organizing a lot easier. And then at the end of July, I went in again because I wanted to get a baby towel for my friend, and I think this baby towel is very good price. It's like less than 200 USD and it's cute. It's a great gift for your friends' babies basically, and I don't have a lot of friends who have babies, so I really want to give gifts because I'm too far from that. And then in August I got this blanket again, but in the baby size. I'll have this photo here again. This blanket is for me to use in my car, so it's another blanket for the car. And that's it for August actually. Oh, and then I went in again the end of August to get my Picotin, which I already did an unboxing in the color chai, and if you want to see that unboxing again, I will link that down below. And that's it for August. But as we all know now, I mean, we all know in Thailand, I don't know about other countries, in Thailand bags don't count as well, so the Picotin doesn't count towards my Kelly bag again. And then in September I went in to get a necktie for my boyfriend, and I wasn't planning on getting anything else, but I got these slip-ons and I have been using it quite a bit, not so much, but you know, my SA was like, you probably would like this. So I basically got these slip-ons. I've worn it quite a bit, but it is actually really comfortable, even though, you know, it is in white and it's kind of difficult to take care of, but you can already see creases here as well, but it's just really easy to like slip on and go. So I really enjoy these slip-ons as well, and I feel like all the Kelly shoes are quite expensive, like compared to the cheap sandals, compared to the orange sandals, like the Kelly loafers, the Kelly sandals, like anything with the Kelly buckle is like expensive, but I will have to buy something anyways in order to get the Kelly Desordre bag. Okay, so this is September. And then in October, I got these boots. I had plans to go to, you know, travel. I had plans to go to Hong Kong, and I actually wanted to go to somewhere cold, you know, in winter, but actually as of now, I don't have any plans yet. So I bought these boots and it turned out to be quite heavy to walk for a while, which I already anticipated, but it turns out to be kind of comfortable too when I break it in. The first day was like the worst. The first day was so bad. I got, you know, blisters around my ankle because the ankle part is actually really stiff. It's not necessarily blisters on my feet, it's more the ankle. And I took a size up too because I want something comfortable. I want to wear thick socks. And yes, I got these boots and I got a few twillies. And then another time I went in again in the middle of October, I got a scarf from my mom because I really wanted to get her a gift. And then that's actually it. I think part of my spending before I got the Birkin 30 probably, you know, adds up to this part as well, because I feel like judging by just the pre-spend of this bag after the Kelly 30 is too little, but because I feel like the pre-spend I did for Birkin 30 is a little too much, so I think it adds up. This is what I think. This is my personal opinion. My SA did not say anything whatsoever. I just use myself and I think about it. And then on the day that I got this Kelly, I also got some jewelry. However, my SA told me that the purchase of the day that I got this bag would be carried over to the next bag because I think I already spent so so much before this bag, therefore I will not say it in here because it's not part of this pre-spend. So overall, I would say it's not 2 to 1. If it's after the Birkin 30, it's around 1.7, 1.8 to 1. But if it's including with the Birkin pre-spend, I would say, I'm just telling you my personal experience, I would say adding up the bags, like this bag along with the Birkin 30, because it's in the same year, it's really difficult for me to like separate it. Let's say both bags were added up and let's say the pre-spend were added up as well. I would say for both the bags, deducting with both the pre-spend, I would say my pre-spend is probably 1.8 to 1.9 to 1, which is still a lot because for my Kelly bag, my Kelly 28 bag, mine was exactly 2 to 1, maybe even like a tiny bit more, like around 2 to 1, because that's my first bag and these are my 2 second bags. So I feel like if I think about it, it's probably 1.8, 1.9 to 1. But I thought, you know, people say that the Birkin 30 should have less spend. So if I think about like 1.5 to 1 for the Birkin 30, this would be, you know, 2 to 1. So okay, whatever it is, these are what I spent in order to get this baby right here. But this baby, oh my god, on the resale market, it's like 3 times the price of the retail price. As I've said in the video earlier, this is around 14,000 USD, and because of Thai currency right now, it is so bad. So I think its one is also a bit more expensive, but it is just so pretty. I can't wait to take her out. I also did, you know, the peeling off in the previous video, and I'm showing you right now that I also went to the store to put a protective film on this. They basically is a watch store and I, you know, don't want to scratch it. So there's a protective film already on this bag so that I can finally take this new baby out. So basically they put protective film on every like angle. Also the curved Kelly lock, the bottom, they put protective film like everywhere. So I cannot wait to take her out, and I hope you enjoy this video. I hope this is helpful to you. I think my overall tips and tricks would be go in every month. Actually, there's one visit that I went in and I did not buy anything at all, but I spent an hour just chatting with my SA and just like, you know, talking about different stuff like fortune telling, I don't know, whatever. It's just, you know, spending time is also fun. Sometimes, you know, not spending money and just spending time is, you know, better than spending money. But basically I would say show out your face once every month. That is what I personally think works. I don't rush every time I go in. I take my time. I chat with my SA. I, you know, just give a good talk, and if I want anything from the website, I screenshot, send it to my SA. I look through things before I actually make a visit so that my SA knows what I want, and after a while my SA knows my style, so my SA will bring out things that my SA knows that I would like. So I hope you enjoy this video, and if there's any questions or comments, please leave them down below, and I hope to see you in the next one. Bye.